Hi, I am Sayandip Karmakar, a second year student of B.Sc in Radiology and Imaging Technology at Medhavi Skills University. I chose this university because it offers skill-based courses that would help me pursue a career in radiology right after my 12th grade. The classes here are fully digital. All the learning materials are shared with us right after the session for review. Additionally, we have a variety of online resources for further references. If we need physical reference, we can go to the library, which has a great selection of books to support our studies. In addition to my main subject, I have gained technical skills that complement my studies, such as creative problem solving and basic programming. For example, I have worked on projects using Python to automate tasks, which gave me insights into how technology can support efficiency in radiology workflows. Faculty members are always approachable and really supportive, always ready to help with any academic or personal challenges that I face. The guidance has been invaluable to my improving and understanding of the key concepts and practical skills. The university fosters a vibrant environment with something for everyone, whether it's sports, music, or even esports. Regular events are held to ensure students have opportunities to explore their interests and build a sense of community. My aspirations. I am currently focusing on deepening my knowledge in radiology and imaging technology. My goal is to build a strong foundation in this field and eventually work in a reputed medical institution. At last, Medhavi Skills University has been an excellent choice for me. Its focus on practical learning and skill development makes it the perfect place for anyone looking to prepare for a successful career. I highly recommend it to all the aspiring students.